I've had my AirPods Max for more than 2 years, and spoiler alert, I've loved every second with these beauties. But after 2 years of use, are they still worth that premium price tag? Let's dive in. First off, can we just talk about how well built these are? After, 2 years of daily use, they still look new, feel brand new, except for the removable earpieces, which are also washable, by the way. Let's clean those up. Let's talk about comfort. These are a dream. I've worn them for hours-long flights, work sessions, and even just chilling on the couch. I've even worn them in bed when I had a roommate that was snoring really loud, and they're the best. No headaches, no ear fatigue, just pure comfort. They really nailed it with the memory foam ear cups. The spatial audio is also it's a game changer. Watching movies or listening to Dolby Atmos tracks feels so immersive, it's like the sound is moving with you. The noise cancellation, crazy, still one of the best I've ever used. Whether I'm on a noisy plane or just need to block out sounds around me, these do just that like magic. I can literally focus anywhere. But what I love just as most is the transparency mode. It's like a superpower. You can hear everything around you without taking the headphones off, and you can switch back and forth with just the press of a button. I'll admit the smart case is still weird, but the battery life, insanely good. I get consistently 20 hours or so out of these headphones before I need to charge them. Overall, they are absolutely the best, and I 10 out of 10 recommend.